Hi there, it's Drive-by DIY. Going to do another video on this Zafira series, Vauxhall Opel Zafira. Sun's shining, it's a beautiful day as you can see. What I'm going to do is just show you how to remove this brake light unit, the upper central brake light unit, which is just above the windscreen. Show you how to take it out and show you how to change the bulbs of it and then put it back. Hopefully you find this interesting, and let's get with it. First thing you've got to do is remove this trim that's on the inner side of the hatchback. Basically all this does is just pull. You've just got to get your fingers behind it or use a suitable tool and just pull it like that. Just be gentle and it'll just come away. Just like that. As you can see, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 poppers on it, or studs, whatever you want to call it. It just slots in there and there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then inside, just get my you can see, if you can see in there, you've got, you're supposed to depress those, and it should just pop out. So there's no unscrewing or anything like that. So you can just see in there, apparently you're supposed to depress them and it'll come out, but you're going to have to be careful here. As you can see, it's starting to move already. There's one in there. One in there. It's coming away already. Just press it. You can see the daylight. And there's a loom. So you can just see in there. So on the other side, hopefully, there's the connector there. Let's get my light. There's the connector there as well, so you can underconnect that. So hopefully that should come out from the other side. So on this bit, this has just come out now. So it's spring action clips, as you can see. So basically it just pushes in 3 on that side and 3 on that side, and you basically you just push it out and out it comes. Just be careful though. And then let's have a look at that. We'll have a look how to change the bulbs. Right, just to update you, this is not a bulb holder, it's actually an LED light unit. So the ones I've normally had in the past have always been like the little 12 volt bayonet type push in, but this is an LED unit. So if this fails, a good chance you're going to have to replace your unit on its own, which you probably have to get from a scrap heap really, or something like that. Might be why these are. This is an LED unit, but to replace it anyway, that's how you take it out. So to put it back in, basically you're just going to have to just push it in like that, and that is it. Wait for the click, and that is how you refit it. So just going to open the unit, open the hatchback, and then basically all you do is get the trim. Trim just goes in. Push it in. And just find the holes, locate the holes, and just push it in, and that's it. And that's it, that's in, like that. So that's how you remove and replace your upper stop light, brake lights unit on your Vauxhall Zafira. Possibly similar to other Vauxhall models and Opel models as well. So hopefully this helps you in what you've got to do in that. As I say, there was no bulbs to change on that one, so 'cause that's an LED unit. If there's, I mean, I'm not clued up when it comes to LED units like that. It looked like a sealed unit, so if I get round to actually getting one to take apart, I'll probably do that and have a good look inside, but that's how to take it out and put it back in anyway. Hopefully this helps you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, lots of other stuff on Zafiras in there. This is a good car, quite easy to work on as well, so it's great for the DIY. So thanks for watching.